kanya talaga nagsimula. Kaya itong tao na to, natatawagin ko, bihira mo siya makikita. Okay? Natatayo dito sa harapan. Bihira mo siyang maririnig na magsasalita. Okay? So, napakaswerte mo kung first time ka ngayon, bisita ka dito sa opisina, napakaswerte mo, babibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na marinig straight from the mouth of the person who started it all. Ready na ba kayo, guys? Ready na ba? Kung kontento, parang hindi ako naniniwala na rin na, guys, tayo tayo lahat! Okay? Welcome natin yung tao na nagsimula na lahat nito. Kundi dahil sa kanya, walang GFI ngayon. Kundi dahil sa kanya, wala tayong kumpanya ngayon. Wala tayong produkto, wala tayong negosyo, walang opportunity. Sa kanya nagsimula lahat to. So let's all welcome our President! Mr. GFI! President Rico Uy!
Grabe. Parang kami yung camera. Bakit pag kami lang wala kayong camera? We're very excited. Happy New Year para sa inyong lahat. Sobrang excited lahat sa New Year, no? Dahil bagong taon, bagong simula, bagong enerhiya, bagong tulak. Everyone's just very excited sa taon na to, no? We have a very special guest tonight, no? Nung 28th of December, for those of you na hindi nakadalo, we had a launching at the AFP Theater of a partnership, a very supercharged special partnership with a very special lady, no? And nakakatawa dahil marami akong feedback na ririnig. Okay? Meron ka nag-upload sa YouTube, ang bilis eh. Okay? Sabi nung, sino may kumuha nun? Yung nag-upload sa YouTube. Okay, sabi nung nagkumukuha ng camera, naku, nabitin kami dun kasi hindi narinig masyadong sinabi ni Miss Joy here. Right? Today, we'll have the chance to hear from her in more length. Okay, marami siyang isi-share sa atin. Maybe a little bit about the year 2011 and what it means for many of us. Nakakatawa, nakaka-excited dahil we need to learn more about our product line. Okay, she will talk about each of the bracelets, product bracelets that we have in the line. Papaliwan niyang bawat isa. Right? Bawat isa. And then we'll have a very special session after, a question and answer. Okay? For you. Okay? She also was a guest pala noong January 1 sa isang radio show. I don't know if you heard it, DZMM 630. Yung AM radio station. Nakakatawa kasi she mentioned GFI so many times, di ko mabilang kung ilang beses minention yung GFI. Okay. Sobrang busy na itong taon to, pero hindi na makalimutan yung GFI sa warm reception na binigay natin sa kanya. Talagang bawat minuto, every talagang minimension niya. And nakakatawa kasi she'll be having many programs, road shows, SM Mall tours. She's gonna have world tours, okay, through TFC channel, yung Adobo Nation. And I can't wait to hear later on, syempre, as she goes around, she'll also promote a very special partnership GFI throughout the world. Okay, para sa ating lahat. Sobrang busy nitong taon to. She just came from her store. Sobrang dami artista naghihintay doon ngayon. Iniwan niya para sa atin. Kahit special. Okay, sa kanya. And she's with us tonight in the flesh, live, okay, to say hi to you directly, to share our products to you, and to share the opportunity of what 2011 has for each and every one of us, right? So, having said that, hindi ko na patatagalin. Alam ko matagal na kayo nakaupo dyan. Please help me welcome the very special, the one and only, Miss Jolie!